Hi guys, if you want to insert an arrow in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. For that, first of all go to the insert option here and then click on special characters. Now from here on the search box type arrow, and once you type arrow, all the arrow will be listed here. You can see. From here you can select any type of arrow you want. Let's say I want the upper arrow, so I will simply click on the upper arrow and the arrow will be inserted here. And if you want to increase or decrease the size of the arrow, simply select the arrow and from the font size, select a bigger font. You can see, and now the arrow will be bigger. In case you want to select any different arrow, you can select it from here. You can see. Here is also an option to draw. So if you want to draw any arrow, you can draw it from here. For that, simply click here. And now let's say I want an arrow like this. So I will draw it. And now the Google Docs will list all the arrows which matches my drawing. You can see. To insert any of these arrows, simply take your cursor wherever you want to insert your arrows. I want to insert it here. And now from here, select any arrow you want. I want this double arrow. So I will simply click on it and the arrow will be inserted. Let's see one more. Now here, I want to draw an arrow like this. And here you can see the Google Docs listed all the arrows which matches my drawing. Let's say I want to select this. So I will simply click on it and this arrow will be inserted. And to increase and decrease the size of the arrow, simply select the arrow and then click on font size. And from here, select the font size you want. Let's say I want this. And you can see the size of the arrow has been changed. And in case if you want to change the color of the arrow, simply select the arrow, click on this text color option here and select any color you want. Let's say I want the red color. And you can see the arrow color has been changed. And in case if you want to put a background behind this arrow, again select the arrow, click on this highlight color option and from here select any background you want. Let's say I want black background. So I will select the black. Now the arrow has a black background. If you want to change it, simply select the arrow, click on the highlight color and from here select any background you want. You can see. And if you want to remove the background, again select the arrow, click on the highlight color and select none. And the background will be removed. So you can see how simple it is to insert an arrow in Google Docs. And in case if you want to insert a stylish arrows which has lots of customization option, then let's see the next method. So here is the second method. For that, first of all go to the insert option here and then select drawing and then click on new. And now the drawing panel will appear. Now here simply click on the shape option and then click on arrow. And now from here you can select any arrow style you want. Let's say I want to insert this arrow. So I will simply click on it. And now the arrow will be copied in my cursor. To draw the arrow, I will simply right click and then drag it. You can see. And now the arrow will appear. You can resize the arrow, whatever size you like. From this drawing panel, you can customize the color, border, and height and width of the arrows. To change the color of the arrow, simply click on this fill color option. And from here, select any color you want. Let's say I want to select the red color. I will select the red color. And for its border, I want to select the blue color. So I will click on the border color. And from here, I will choose the blue. Now the blue border is here, but it is very thin. So to change the border size, simply click on this border weight option. And from here, select the border you want. Let's say I want to this size. And here you can see the border size has changed. If you want to set the dotted border, for that, simply click on this border dash and from here you can select any border type you want. If you want the dotted size, simply click on it and the dotted border will be set. If you want any different border type, simply click here and select any different border. I want the solid border, so I will simply click here and select the solid one. Here it is. And in case if you want to increase the height and width of the arrow, for that simply click on this middle dot here and drag it. And you can see the height of the arrow has increased. Similarly, if you want to increase the width, simply click on this middle dot and drag it. and the width of the arrow will be changed as well. And if you want to resize the height and width altogether, for that simply click on this corner dot and then simply drag it. You can see. And once you have made all the customization according to your requirement, to insert this arrow in your Google Docs, simply click on Save and Close option here. And now the arrow will be inserted in your Google Docs. And from here, you can increase or decrease the size of your arrow. You can see. And to freely move this arrow anywhere you want, simply select the arrow and simply click on this Break Text option. Once you select this option, from now on, you can move it anywhere you want. You can see. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the arrow or move it anywhere you want according to your requirement. So that's it, guys. This is how you can easily insert an arrow in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.